So this video, we're going to make a red sunflower. So the same pattern as the regular sunflower, but I've used chestnut for the head and ruby to make all of the petals. So you need to make all of your individual petals and actually sew in all your ends before you then join them together to create the ring of petals. And this is a new method that actually makes it lovely and easy to then be able to position them on your flower before you do your final sewing up. So once you've made all of your petals and you have sewn those ends in, what you need to do is double crochet 3 across each of these. So you put your hook in, yarn through, and then you're going to double crochet 3 into the top of every petal. So back in and 1, 2 and 3, then pick up your next petal and do the same thing again. So carry on until you've got 14 and then slip stitch to join them into a ring. So once you've got all 14 petals attached together with those double crochet stitches into each one, all you need to do is go back into your first one like that. So put your hook into the first one, slip stitch through that, leave yourself a nice long end because you're going to be able to use that to sew it into position. And once you've got them in that ring of petals like that, it means you can just position them around the head of your flower. You can play with that positioning. You can even put the eyes and the limbs on first should you wish to, so that then you can add your petals last, and then just using that long thread sew in between it in order to attach it into the correct position on the head. Then you do the same again with the sunflower to create a second ring.